a little short clip on how to install high idle on your TDI. All right. Alright, so we got a stick. Actually, it's a piece of quarter round. And we're gonna go like that. And then maybe somewhere up there. Okay. And then, alright, is this gonna work? Let's see. Oh yeah, mint. Now let's see, what do we need for rip'ems? Yeah. What do we got up there? Yeah, we could probably go 1200 rip'ems. Okay. This is perfect. A little more. That might be too much. Yeah, let's tone her down just a wee bit. Perfect. So there you go. Just keep that in the car with you, and you're set. She's a little frosty this morning, as you can tell. Until next time.